Today we're taking a look at the Atlas ARGB graphics card support courtesy of Cooler Master. In the day and age where GPUs just seem to be getting larger and heavier, the heatsinks just don't stop growing, and many graphics cards are going to end up sagging inside of your case, especially that right-hand side that's actually closest to the front of the case and the front of the glass. I've had some GPUs that only sag a couple of millimeters, but I've also had some GPUs that sag quite a bit. Some of the larger 2 or 3 slot coolers, and especially when I tried to do the custom Noctua fan mod on my RTX 3060 Ti. There was just a ton of sag there. If you're up close checking out a gaming PC, the more sag you have, you're definitely going to end up noticing that. I've even seen some people posting comments online about the locking arm that goes into that PCI Express slot lock cracking or just breaking right off the PCB, which is definitely not good. These arms are supposed to be strong enough to never break and pretty much hold the card throughout its entire life, which is many, many years. But some of them apparently did, and it could have been from the weight. Well, cue the Atlas ARGB support. This is a tempered glass, and yes, real glass, standing GPU support that will help lift that corner of your GPU up and share that weight load. Instead of just having a standard plastic stand like a lot of other options on the market, Cooler Master really went all out on this one. The tempered glass is basically an infinity mirror design, and we also have some nice lines through the glass that are edge lit by the ARGB lighting. It looks really good in my opinion. The base of the stand is aluminum, but it also has a built-in magnet on the bottom to secure the stand to your PSU shroud, which is actually a super awesome feature. You don't want this thing sliding around, and you don't want to have to reset it, especially if you take your PC to a LAN party. There's actually a side magnet too in case you need it, so something to keep in mind. As for the piece that actually holds the GPU, well, that's relatively strong, so it should be able to hold about 6.6 pounds worth of force from your GPU, according to what Cooler Master says. Essentially, this piece just clamps right onto the tempered glass, and you're pretty much good to go. The graphics card will just rest on top of this. And in terms of that amount of weight, that should pretty much have you covered for any GPU out on the market, even crazy 4-slot ones. The ARGB that this implements is 3-pin 5V, which should pretty much easily be controlled by most modern motherboards. This is definitely a kind of nice to have accessory for your gaming PC. I think if you're planning one, or if you've already finished your gaming build, but your GPU is sagging a little bit, or you plan on buying a really heavy GPU, you might want to consider this. Also, I notice a lot of builds that just kind of have a little void of RGB light kind of in the middle of the case. The Atlas GPU support would definitely help out in terms of the GPU sag, and it'll add a little bit of extra flare right in the middle of your case. Overall, I would say I like it. I'm definitely going to be using it in some upcoming builds, and I'm definitely going to leverage it for those heavier GPUs. I'll have links in the description below, so head down there and check it out. If you're into gaming builds and home lab stuff, get subscribed to the channel, and then ring that bell for future video notifications.